How to use C command in AutoCAD. It can be used for make a circle in your drawing. I select the C command shortcut key or draw panel. If you want to make a shortcut, C, press enter. Then where you want to circle, you can click. I will click here and give the radius what you want. I give the radius 500 mm. Then OK. Now this circle is radius is 500 mm and diameter is 1000 mm. I will check the dimension. You see radius is 500 mm and the diameter dimension is 1000 mm. Again I draw a circle. I select the command from draw panel. Now I click here and draw the circle. I give the dimension is 1000 mm. The radius is 1000 mm and the diameter is 2000 mm. You see. So this one is used for C command circle.